Are you ready for a Gen AI hands-on experience? Leading companies are integrating Gen AI into their operations, showcasing its transformative potential throughout all business processes. It redefines how programmers develop. It revolutionizes the way marketeers create and update content. It enhances how collaborators communicate with each other and how sales and support teams engage with customers. Communicating in multiple languages at the same time is not a problem anymore. Corporate Gen AI can analyze email content and suggest relevant responses, saving considerable time for users by offering quick reply options or assistance. On the other hand, chatbots offer a convenient and efficient way for users to obtain information or perform tasks. All these human-driven interactions are being improved in speed and quality. In retail, Gen AI chatbots are responding accurately to customers' requests. In legal and compliance, Gen AI analyzes and drafts contracts. In manufacturing, optimizes production planning and demand forecasting. In health, it allows customization of treatments and analysis of technical or scientific documents. It is safe, reliable, and guarantees the privacy of your data. All sectors are destined to be augmented and to experience massive gains in efficiency with Gen AI. So, are you ready for a Gen AI hands-on experience? Let's embark on this journey together.